Hey, what's up, guys? Morning. So, in today's vlog, we're gonna be transporting my niece's room into a cloud ceiling. We're doing a TikTok trend where the ceiling is made out of clouds and with the lights and everything, the LED. Plus, it's her birthday, so we're gonna surprise her with this. And then to do this project, you're gonna need some polyfill. I got two 10-pound ones, but her room, she has a small room, so I probably only need one box. And then I went with the cardboard poster boards because they're a lot sturdier than the regular poster board, like the super thin white ones. I figured these will last longer because they're heavy duty, they're thicker. And there's the brown side and the white side, so we're gonna be using the white side face up. And then you also need, of course, your LEDs to do this, to have all the special effects, the lightning effect and whatnot. Gonna need a box cutter, a power tool. You don't really need this, but it'll make the job easier. And then some screw, a stapler. I went with the staple because I don't want to use glue, any type of glue, spray glue, adhesive glue, whatever, on the cloud, because I figured over time the glue will lose its stickiness and the cloud would just like fall out of the ceiling. And then I'm using screws because I'm gonna screw the poster boards up in the ceiling and not use glue, or some people use double-sided tape or electric tape or gorilla tape, whatever. But we're gonna screw them on there so they'll stay up there and never fall down. You're also gonna need a ladder, of course. What? Camera? Yeah. Yeah, so she's turning 11, I think, and then she's just gonna walk in here and be like, what the? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get started on it. It's gonna take a while because it's just by myself. I'm not gonna record all the process of, because this, if I did, this video would be like a long, will be forever. I'm just gonna record some bits and pieces. For the LED, I got the Liber, whatever. This is 156 feet, guys. Now that I'm looking at our room ceiling, I think it's overkill for these, of how many LEDs there are. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My God, and 6. Yeah, so I think I overkilled it with the LED, but that's mean, it's gonna be the ceiling will be lit up. Better have more than never, less. Like, it's better to have it and not need it, and then need it and not have it. And then it comes with all these adapters, power outlet, remote. You could also download the app and control the LEDs from your phone. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started on it. The first, I'm gonna put up the poster board, guys. Alright, guys, so I got the first board up there. It wasn't easy because I'm trying to do that by myself. Hold it up there, use the power tool, yada yada yada. Now I just gotta cover the whole ceiling with it. It shouldn't take that long, or shouldn't be too hard, but with the bed in the middle, I gotta, I don't know, figure out how to get the ladder in there or something and reach. Anyways, guys, that's first board up there. Alright guys, just a quick progress check. I almost got the ceiling done. I just got the little spot there, and then this spot here, and then that corner over there. I gotta cut up some board pieces to fit in there, and then I should be done with the ceiling, and then on with the LEDs. Oh yeah, pain in the butt trying to cut out of that cut that circle over there in that light fixture, and then also on this freaking fire thingy majiggy. But yeah guys, I'll get, oh yeah, and that freaking air vent also up here. That's hard trying to cut that rectangular. But anyway guys, let me get back to work, and then I'll check up, a quick checkup after that. Alright guys, I finally got the ceiling done, covered in poster board all the way around. It took a while, but it's finally done, and now it's time for the best part, which is putting the LEDs up in there. And then when you lay the LEDs up there guys, you just can't like put them straight across, diagonal, whatever, because they won't look right. It won't look natural, you know, like a real lightnings. Because when you turn it on, and then the light don't go like lightning's supposed to be, you know, all everywhere and zigzag and whatnot. Just go, when you put the LEDs up, strips up there guys, just go like crazy and do a bunch of zigzag and weird odd shape, not shapes but lines and stuff, like a lightning is supposed to be, you know. But yeah guys, I'll get back to you guys when I put one of the LED strips up there guys. Alright guys, I got the LED strips right here laid out and hooked up, testing them, make sure they work. There's nothing worse than having your ceiling covered up with poster board, your LED strips already laid out and covered in the cloud stuffing, and then turn it on, come to find out the LEDs don't work, or some of them don't work, and then now you gotta take everything off the ceiling, you know. It sucks. So always check your LEDs before installing them guys, make sure they work, you know. Right now I got it on voice activated sound, music, any kind of sound you make, whatever, it'll react, the LEDs will react to it. But yeah, again, this is a the one I got. Let's see, where is it? It says in here. Oh, there's the manual. Oh, dang it. Where is it? I'm trying to find it, guys. It should be here. But yeah, I can't find it, but this LED strip is 165 feet long. I think it's a little overkill for her bedroom, considering how small it is, but you can never have too many LEDs, guys. Rather have it and not need it, and then need it and not have it. Plus, it'll make a good lightning storm effect. Alright guys, enough with the LEDs. I'm gonna start sticking them up there in the ceiling. These LED strip, guys, they come with a double-sided tape on the other side, so you could just stick them up in the ceiling. But I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be using some screws and then gripper. Some bracket, LED strip bracket right here. It's kind of hard to see, but that's what they look like. So that way, if they ever move or decides to, you know, take them down, they can, because they're not gonna be stuck up there with adhesive. All they gotta do is unscrew these and take them up, and then they could reuse them again on, you know, on the new house, whatever. But plus, besides, after a while, the double-sided tape, the stickiness will wear off due to the room temperature being hot, being cold, you know. Anyway, guys, I just want to make that short clip. Hey guys, so just a quick update. So far, I got 2 of the LED light strips up there around the perimeter, and I still got like 4 more to go. So far, that's what it looks like. It's on auto right now, so alright guys, I'll get back to you guys when I get done. Another quick update, guys. We're at a long stretch now. Finally got all the I got 5 of the LED strips up. Just got 1 more to go, and then that'll be it, guys. It's very time consuming, but it looks awesome though. Just 1 more strip to go. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, I gotta get back to work. Well, alright guys, that's it. I have finally hung every single LEDs, all 165 feet of it in the ceiling. Done and completed. And now I just have to put the cloud up there, the stuffing, and then it'll be all done, guys. It's like freaking let me see what time it is. It's freaking 11:30 at night, guys. I started this 10 in the morning, and it's freaking nighttime now, 11:30. I probably won't be done till like sometime in the morning or 1 a.m. putting the cloud. Hopefully that won't take long like the LEDs did. But yeah guys, I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna start putting the cloud up in the ceiling. Alright guys, time for the best part of making the TikTok cloud ceiling LED. Just putting up the stuffing up there, and I got this badass stapler because I don't want to use glue or super glue or hot glue. Spray glue, the spray glue gets everywhere and everything, and then it's a pain in the ass to try and remove that stuff. So I'm going with the staple. This has 2 modes in it. It's got the trigger and the normal mode. The normal mode, you just take it and then squeeze the lever, and then it'll shoot the staple. The trigger mode, I don't know if you guys can see that, it says trigger mode. You squeeze the lever, and then this will, right here, this will pop, and you could position it however you want, wherever you want, and then once you're ready, you just pull this right here and it'll shoot the staple. So you know, I got this from Menard. It's like 27 bucks. And then I bought this staple, the number 4. There's 1,250 of them. I hope we don't need all that. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna start putting the stuffing up there, and I'll get back to you guys. Well, guys, quick checkup. So far, so good. I got the corner filled up there. I still got the whole room to fill, but yeah, it's taking a while, guys, because it's very time consuming. But anyways, that I just wanted to give you guys a update. We're getting there, guys. Alright, guys, so I finally got the cloud put up in the ceiling, LEDs. It only took me
24 hours?
yeah, it only took me about 24 hours.
And it takes a while.
I didn't go to sleep. I just kept going. I mean, I just kept
It's
putting
take
up the
a
cloud
while.
up in the ceiling.
It takes a while.
And it's now like 9:35 in the morning. Haven't had sleep.
What is the rainbow?
It looks cool, especially at nighttime. So now
It's
my
not
niece has the
nighttime.
coolest room. She's got the TikTok room.
Harry Potter candles.
Ow!
With 30 plus vibrant mats, up to 16 hours of fearless fun with no transfer. And try new matting mood makers. New shades designed to relax, energize, or delight. Maybelline, New York.
Ow! Ow! That's
Where's the thunder?
it. Ow!
If thunder was playing, then
Yeah.
okay, get off. That's awesome. It's awesome, ain't it?
How did I?
Ain't nobody got this. See, it's going by on
Ow!
top.
My mouth. Ow. Mom, what is in my mouth?
Okay.
Stop. Maria! Get that camera out of here. No.
It's recording you.
Alright, guys, so she likes the